Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with you some homemade vegan yogurt starter that you can use for your yogurt. And so, this is what you're going to use. You're going to make use of some peppers, that is green pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice. You're also going to make use of lemon, and also we are going to make uses of soya milk. This is homemade soya milk. You have to make sure that the soya milk is free from anything, pure, organic. So that's what you're going to use for our yogurt starter. And so you can use the same method for what is not vegan and vegan, like cow milk. You can use the same method for it. So you have to make sure that the pepper you buy has the head on it, everything is intact. And so you just take it and put it in the milk and just divide the pepper into two, not separated apart or not separate, but just cut them into two a bit, and then put them in there, and you will cover with cling film and set it aside. And so that's one method. You can use any of the methods you want. You can use lemon, you can use the pepper method also. So this we are going to set aside, and when you use it, when you do this, the next day, especially with the pepper one, you get a pepper flavor, but the starter will not feel pepperish. It's not hot, but you can smell the flavor of the pepper. But if you use it for your yogurt for the first time, it will, you still have that flavor. But if you use this the second time, the same yogurt again, if you scoop some and use it for the second time, you will not smell any pepper flavor in it. And even that, if you give it flavor like vanilla, that will be okay. And so you're going to make the lemon one also. And with the lemon one, you can just squeeze the lemon juice, add it to your milk and cover, and that will be okay. But with this, I'll just divide it this way and then add it to the milk and cover. And so what you have to do is, when you cover, you set it in a warm place, a place whereby no one will come and disturb you. And usually it's better you put it in the oven, because that's where nobody will come there to disturb. And if you're using electric oven, just let the light be on without owning the oven itself. So this will set it in the oven. I'm using a gas oven, so I'll just set it in there. I'm not going to on anything, just set it in there, cover with napkin, and wait for the next day. So this is the next day, approximately 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours, sometimes 15 hours. And this one took me about 12 hours. And so this is it for our yogurt starter. It's ready, and so you can use this to make your vegan yogurt. You know, most of the yogurts in market are not vegan, and so if you're vegan, it's difficult to get yogurt to enjoy. So you can try this method. This is vegan. We use soya milk. You can use the same method for cow milk. And so this is our vegan yogurt starter, which you can use it for your vegan yogurt. So I'll bring you a recipe on how to use this yogurt starter to prepare your vegan yogurt, and you will enjoy every bit of it. And so give this a try and you will not regret. And this, if you do this for your yogurt, all that you need to do is, when you prepare the yogurt, you scoop some for the next yogurt you will prepare. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share the video. Bye bye.